Walking down the street, feeling raindrops fall, drenched in memories that calling me to recall. Every drop a reminder of the love that's washed away, but I won't let it drown me.